Today is a very special day because I got a new haircut. And I also got a new tripod. Right off the bat, I'm in a very awkward situation right now because the reason why I ordered a tripod for my camera is so that I could shoot videos replacing that tripod that I'm using right now. So I don't know what to do. But yeah, I ordered this from Amazon, but once again, I think Amazon has been very efficient with the packaging because I doubt the tripod is this big. But hey, it's better to be big than too small, right? Without further ado, let's unbox this then, shall we? Okay, so purchased this from Amazon like I said before. It's from Geekoto or Geekoto. I don't know how to pronounce this as usual, but it's from China, I think. Supposedly it's meant to hold up to 8 kilograms of weight, probably a camera. It's a 77-inch height-wise, so it can go up to 77-inch, so like that. And it's aluminium. I wanted a carbon-based, but they only had like a shorter version of that by a different brand. And this had one of the highest customer ratings on Amazon, and you know, I trust people from the internet. So that's why I bought this. So let's see what we've got. Okay. So instantly we have the carrier bag. Okay, so the whole thing is actually already inside the carrier bag. And of course, you've got to have the company logo on the bag so that you can carry it around and make sure to flex on those mother. Let's open this up. Neat. Okay. Whatever that. I already just lost a part. That's okay. And they've kindly included some sweets in case you get tired while doing an unboxing video in this occasion. What the Sorry, I just realized my camera is a little crooked, just like my life. There we go. You see, this is exactly why I need a new tripod, because this thing right here, no good. Assumably an instruction manual. Geekoto. Too fun to be a pro, it says. I wouldn't know the feeling because I've never been a pro in my life. I've just been an amateur. So I guess you could call that a moderate fun. Not too fun. But hopefully I'll get there. Good. Big pictures, explanations, no tiny writings everywhere. That's what I like. Pictures, illustrations. That's what I like in an instruction manual.
How can you read this? There's no pictures. There's no pictures. Pictures.
Other accessories by the same company. They have ring lights and flashes and stuff like that. Pretty neat. I believe these do come in different colors, and I got the orange one because why the hell not? Okay, so this is the user manual. So that thing was, I don't know what that other thing was, okay? Okay, illustrations, not too many writings, you know, it's not like a bullet point full of writings and no pictures because, you know, I'm a picture type of person.
Picture.
So that's good. I hope I don't have to like assemble this like a Lego. I hope like this is pretty much set as it is. And you know, already just by touching it and like operating this for a bit, it already feels fairly high quality compared to this thing I'm using right now to shoot. And of course I have no idea how to work this yet, probably because I haven't read the manual. Oh, this is not gonna fit in the frame. But yeah, okay. It's got like a nice little protective pouch for the ball thing. Okay, yeah, everything feels really good, actually. I mean, you know, like this is like under $100, so you know, I'm not expecting like crazy. This is solid. This feels and looks pretty solid. Geekoto AT24 Pro Dreamer. I mean, a dreamer is one thing, but a pro dreamer, that's like another level. I admire that. I aspire to be that, a pro dreamer. Okay, so if you can see here, I've just made it so that it's in its tallest position. So this is a average human-sized door, and if you can just kind of get the idea of how tall this gets. And really like the locking systems. And there's already like this paint thing that's coming off. Whatever. I'm assuming this is like this hook is for like the sandbag thingy or weight thingy so that you can hold it down. And I forgot about this feature. It's got the detachable monopod thing here. So I'm probably not gonna use this ever, but I know some photographers want to do that, which is cool. Let me just... So you just turn this and detach it and it becomes a monopod. So that could be very neat if people want to take pictures with that. And this is the top part. Everything feels very sort of solid, sturdy. And it's got like a calibration thing going on here. So you can like set it up exactly the way you want it if you're like an annoying perfectionist. Honestly, not sure what this is for. Is this just for like a carrying thing when this is like all folded up? Like a little clutch or something? I'm not entirely sure, but I'm assuming that's what this is for. Some additional things that I've got to mention is that you get like a little Allen key for this, I'm assuming, to disassemble and assemble these, I'm assuming. And also, I'm pretty sure you get a warranty because it has a warranty card that you can fill in here. I'm not sure if it's like a 1-year warranty or 3 years, I'm not sure. That's about it. One thing that I'm a little disappointed with this Geekoto company is that they didn't include any stickers. Like, I don't see any stickers, and you know I love stickers in my product. So that I'm not even gonna go into this, but that is the one major issue that I have with this tripod. Other than that, amazing stuff. I'm very looking forward to using this and making more videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.